My name is Akwa Comrade Charlie Francis Eka. By the grace of God, I am the state chairman of Nigeria Automobile Technicians Association of Akwa Ibom State Council. After the election, I emerged the authentic state chairman of Akwa Ibom State. And today, I want to give God the glory because we are doing inauguration. And before the inauguration, our people are gathering there for a road walk to come in solidarity of His Excellency, Mr. Ibom Emmanuel's completion agenda. And I want to thank His Excellency, the Governor of Akwa Ibom, so very much. That's why we are supporting his completion agenda. And also tell my members that they should support the government of the day and also the incoming government of the day, which is Pastor Umo Basi, which is going to succeed the Governor of Akwa Ibom, said Mr. Ibom Emmanuel. And also my members should support me as their state chairman so that we can thrive, we can move on. Already we have a lot of things in stock for the members of the Nigeria Automobile Technicians Association, Akwa Ibom State Council. And I want to also thank the Comrade Magaji Mohammed, who is our national president, Musa Jahaya, who is the national secretary, for their support, and also the national officers of the Nigeria Automobile Technicians Association for their support, the zonal executive officers for their support. And also, I want to throw a message to all our youth out there that we want to move the Nigeria automobile sector to another height, a greater height indeed. And in fact, in Akwa Ibom State University here in Akwa Ibom, we have succeeded for the admission that is going to accommodate over 500 or 5,000 members, so that we can have more training and retraining for certification, for us to be able to open doors to work in other places like oil industry and car assembly plants, built by His Excellency the Governor of Akwa Ibom. So we have a lot of things in stock. We are not going to be limited to our workshops alone. We must make sure we reach another level, another destination, so that our youth also, our children should come and join. We don't want the automobile sector to die in Akwa Ibom. We don't want the automobile sector to die in Nigeria. And of course, we have the National Automobile Design and Development Council, which we have also to abide by them. Today, I want to also thank the NATA News, the promoter of NATA in Nigeria, the promoter of NATA in Akwa Ibom State, the promoter of NATA in the world. In fact, NATA News has been a very good ally of NATA for the past 30 years for now. So I want to thank him, Mr. Rolo, who is the president of Automobile and Road Safety Initiative. Of course, today is going to be a very formidable day. It's going to be a very unique day. It's going to be a day to reckon with. It's going to be a day of unforgettable, because today is going to be our official inauguration of the State Executive Council of the Nigeria Automobile Technicians Association in Akwa Ibom State. My name is Akwa Comrade Charlie Francis Eka, and of course, I am one of the special assistants to the governor on project monitoring. So I'm monitoring the projects about the Nigeria Automobile Technicians Association in Akwa Ibom for His Excellency the Governor of Akwa Ibom State, Mr. Ibom Emmanuel. Thank you very much.